We just got up. The first thing ever this says is up,
Up.
up, up. Oh, it's and deer. Yeah, deer.
Yeah.
Bear. She wants to go see a deer, a bear. Then she reminds us that the fish are in water.
And the turtle.
Yeah, the turtle. She says every animal she knows. Yeah. Is there a turtle somewhere? You never know. Yeah. Uh-huh. Get your morning exercise.
It's nice because she wants to go out when she wakes up.
Yeah.
She wants to walk around.
It's like the first. It's like the first thing she wants to do every single morning.
Dustin's laying down. She's
I do not get a chance to rest. Hat. Very good. What's your favorite thing to say in the morning? Up. Up.
And then out. Out.
Yeah, out and up are almost kind of the same. One, two, three, go!
Do it. Do what you did last night. 1, 2, 3, go! I like your outfit.
Do you hear the birds?
Did you hear the voice?
Let's listen to the birds.
Call the deer. Deer. Door, door. Fish. Where's the fish? Sing. Sing. La la la. You. Good job. Good job.
Good night. You going to sleep? Time to go to sleep. Take a nap. Go to bed. Good night. Put your blankets on. Good night. Show them how you go to bed. Good night. Yep, put your covers on. Close your eyes. Sweet dreams. Good night. Go to sleep. Close your eyes.
Where's the D? Where about the C? What about the E? How about the F?
Good job.
How about I? How about G?
How about this way? Want to look at it this way?
No.
No? Are you sure?
How about K?
How'd you get so smart?
How about H? Mhm.
Where's the house? Can you show me the house? There's the house. Can you say house? Yeah, very good.
There's a door.
Where's the door to the house? Where's the door? Where's the door? Where's the door? Yep, the door's over there.
How about here? Where's the door in here?
I don't think there is a door. How about the chair? Can you see the chair?
Yeah.
Where's the window?
Where's the window? Where's the window of this house? Where's
There's the
window?
house.
It's us.
Yeah, that's the house.
Mhm.
Wait, O-A.
Oh, A.
She loves A.
O-A. O-A. A. I'm going A. I'm going A. I'm going A.
Can you read for us?
I'm going A. 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 I'm going A.
How about L?
L. You go L.
How about M?
I want L. No A.
How about O?
L. Yeah, A. I want A.
How about P?
We copy. I want copy.
How about Q?
Where you gonna go? Where you going? A.
How about R?
What L is it? It's us.
How about S?
It's us. I got H.
How about T?
You go why always us.
Yeah.
That is us.
How about T?
We go where you got A. You like A.
Oh, you like A.
You go where you have us.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Baby girl, sleepy now, Lalo.